Today, I want to show you a project that's getting loads of attention right now, and that is Commonwealth Union's token, CWU. And guys, this could be absolutely massive. So Commonwealth Union already has a network across 56 Commonwealth nations, a reach of 2.9 billion people, and a $19 trillion economic footprint. Oh, and yeah, let's not forget the 12 million active readers. So this isn't just a random token with false promises. So from what I'm seeing so far, this is looking really, really good. And also guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment below. Let's get into it. This is the Commonwealth Union main official website. So as you can see here, their latest article, Commonwealth Blockchain Network takes its network on chain with the launch of CWU. And if we scroll down slightly, Commonwealth Blockchain Network has announced the launch of CWU, the official token of its blockchain and digital assets vertical, built on Solana and issued by Commonwealth Blockchain Network. CWU represents a significant step in the organization's mission to build digital infrastructure across Commonwealth markets. The token enables participation across the network's media, business, and investment ecosystem spanning 56 nations and a combined GDP footprint of $19 trillion. So guys, let's jump into the Twitter accounts as well. So this is the Commonwealth Union blockchain Twitter account. It's already got 38,400 people currently following it. It's been very, very active. It's done a number of posts, updates. You've got the Telegram community there. So yeah, go and check out the Twitter. Now, if we go on to this Twitter as well, His Excellency Sheikh Saud bin Faisal Sultan Al-Qasimi. As you can probably tell, I'm not the best at pronouncing names, even English names. I'm probably the worst person to pronounce names. But this is actually the visionary behind the project. And he tweeted yesterday, He tweeted yesterday, most people still underestimate what blockchain infrastructure means for emerging markets. It is not about speculation. It's about giving billions of people access to systems that were never built for them. Okay, so let's jump into the website. Now, I don't want to put an actual number on where I think this project is going to go, but if you look at who's behind it and kind of everything so far, it's looking really, really good to kind of do it quite well. What I want to do is just scroll down to the bottom, because I just want to keep it as basic as possible so people understand it, especially if you don't really know much about blockchain, Web3 or crypto. So let's go to the FAQ section. Now, what is CWU? First of all, that's the ticker for the token, okay? So CWU is the token of Commonwealth Union, an established global network spanning 56 nations, 2.6 billion people, and a 19 trillion economy. The token enables participation across the network's media, business, and investment ecosystem. So what blockchain is CWU on? It's on Solana, okay? And who is behind Commonwealth Union? Commonwealth Union has an international advisory board of presidents, prime ministers, and senior statesmen from across the Commonwealth. The network has 12 million readers and has been operating as a global media and business network prior to this token launch. And then if we go to, is this affiliated with the Commonwealth Secretariat? Commonwealth Union is an independent network, not a government body, not affiliated with the Commonwealth Secretariat, independent of politics and focused on real economic opportunity. Now, what is the token actually used for? CWU powers participation across the network, enabling access, coordination, and value exchange across Commonwealth markets. And when does it launch? It's actually launching today, I believe. It's the 8th of April, currently recording time 11 a.m. So yeah, it will be launching today, and then yeah, we can see obviously how the launch goes. Also, I'm going to put all of the details for the token, the website, absolutely everything below this video, so you can obviously check out everything. Now, if we scroll down slightly, you can join the community here, stay connected for the latest updates, announcements, and launch details. I've got the Telegram and they have the Twitter. And then if we go up, so if you don't know much about crypto or you're just starting, this will come in very helpful. So you can basically buy it here, you create a wallet, and you add Solana to that wallet, you visit Jupiter, and then you will swap your Solana for CWU token. Now, what you need to do is when you obviously download the wallet and everything, you go to Jupiter, the contract address is here. You would just copy that and then paste that in there. So you'll have Solana at the top, and you'll basically swap that for CWU, and this is where you'll get the contract address. Make sure that you're getting the correct contract address, because there will be a load of fake tokens out there of people trying to scam you and stuff like that. So make sure you go to the official website. I'm going to put the link in the video to the official website, or you go to the official Twitter or something, so you're getting the correct contract address, and just don't fall for any scams or fake addresses, because this is a massive deal, this token, and what they're building. So there's going to be loads of copycats and people trying to scam you. So guys, that is basically everything for today's video. Drop in the comments below if there's any projects you want me to check out, do any project reviews on, or anything like that. Always happy to help and kind of check out different projects and stuff, and then could do a video about it to help you guys out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing more updates on how this project goes in the future as well, some short form and some long form, and then like any updates, announcements a bit. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys soon.